What's up, family? We had back-to-back winning trades this week. I'm breaking down the setups, entries, and the key levels that made these moves happen. If you're serious about trading, let's get this video to 100 likes. And first on today's video is ticker symbol JD. If you look at the chart, JD has been stuck inside this falling wedge for months. Price has just been moving lower, but every time it tests support, sellers continue to lose momentum a little bit more. That's usually a sign that buyers are patiently waiting to step in. At the same time, the MACD started curling back up. Nothing crazy at first, but enough to keep this on the watch list. Patterns like this don't always break right away, so patience was key here. We finally got that move we were waiting for this week. JD broke out of the wedge with a strong push, almost 9% in a single session. That's the kind of confirmation you want to see when you're holding a swing. Now, in terms of levels, here's what I'm watching. 3150, this was the breakout zone, and now it's strong support. 3550 is the next test on the upside. If we clear that, I'm looking at $39 to $40 as the bigger target. This is exactly why swing trading works. Instead of stressing out trying to scalp small moves, we sat on this setup, let it develop, and when the breakout came, we were ready. That patience paid off, almost 100% profit already inside the Discord. Next on the list is, of course, ticker symbol OPEN. I've been talking about this for weeks. Just check the last few videos, and now it's up 80% on the day and nearly 130% since I first mentioned it. Looking at the chart, the pattern here was very familiar. We had that falling wedge form earlier on the daily, which is a bullish setup where price compresses before breaking higher. Once it broke out, the stock consolidated in a range and then started trending upward again. Notice how the price action repeated itself: consolidation, breakout, consolidation, breakout. That type of setup shows steady buying pressure, and it's the reason we kept tracking this not only in the Discord but on Twitter as well. That breakout was supported by volume and momentum, which for me personally confirms that buyers are still in control. Here are the levels I'm watching from here. 750, that's the prior breakout area, that is now acting as support. 1050 to $11, that's the immediate resistance zone ahead. If price can hold momentum above $11, we could easily see continuation toward the mid-teens. But if you watch my videos or you're in the Discord, you're up a bunch, so make sure to take profit. Next on the list is ticker symbol AAOI. Looking back, this stock was consolidating in a wedge formation for weeks. The stock kept bouncing between support in that 23 to 24 zone and resistance around 25 to 26. It was a textbook coiling setup, price tightening, volume drying up, and the MACD slowly turning back in our favor. Then, of course, the breakout came. Buyers stepped in heavy, pushing AAOI out of that wedge and straight through resistance, giving us the strong move we were waiting for. That's why I always say patience pays. You don't need a chase when you're already positioned before the breakout. So here's my current levels on this play. You have $24, that's the breakout level and now solid support. You then have $28, this is the current key resistance zone, and if bulls keep momentum, I've got my eyes on mid-30s as the next upside target. This is exactly why I post my weekly watch list. When you plan ahead, you don't have to guess during the week. And finally, my favorite is Palantir. This one was also highlighted in my weekly watch list video, and it's been playing out beautifully. Right now, we're up almost 60% profit on this swing in the Discord. For weeks, Palantir was stuck in a tight consolidation zone between 150 and 160. You can see how price kept bouncing inside that range, building up energy. Meanwhile, the MACD was curling back up, showing that momentum was shifting back in the bulls' favor. That's exactly what we like to see before a breakout. Once buyers stepped in, Palantir pushed out of that consolidation and broke above 160. That breakout gave us the confirmation we needed, and the stock has been holding strong ever since. This is where swing trading shines. Once again, you position yourself before the move and let the breakout play out. My current levels on this trade is 160, that was the breakout level and now acts as support. 170 to 175 is the next major resistance zone. If bulls keep momentum, the chart has room to push back towards the 185 to 190 range. Now, my biggest advice, don't chase every move you see. Focus on patience, discipline, and waiting for setups to come to you. That's how you stack consistent wins over time. If you found value in this video, let's get this video to 100 likes. And if you want to join the family and trade with us in real time, the link to the Discord is down below. I'll catch you guys in the next one.